Good morning all of you. I am Shivam and I am a student of the Indian University Jhansi. I am an athletic development sports semester. Today my topic free trade versus protectionism. So let's start my topic. Free trade and protectionism represent two opposing approaches to international trade. Free trade emphasizes the removal of trade barriers, promoting economic efficiency and market access. Protectionism aims to protect domestic industries but can lead to higher prices and reduce consumer choice. So the balance between free trade and protectionism remains a subject of ongoing policy discussions with countries adopting varying degree of openness and protectionism based on their economic priorities and circumstances. So free trade promotes the unrestricted flow of goods and services across borders. It proponents argue that removing barriers to trade lead to economic growth, efficiency and consumers benefits. Free trade agreements such as the North American Free Trade Agreement and the Comprehensive and Progress Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership aims to reduce trade barriers and promote market access. According to the World Trade Organization, the average applied tariff rate for industrial goods globally was 6.7% in 2019. So free trade agreements have contributed to the reduction of tariff barriers facilitating trade between participating countries. Protectionism on other hand seeks to shield domestic industries from foreign competition by imposing trade barriers. This can take the form of tariff, which are taxes on imported goods or non-tariff measures such as quotas, subsidies and local content requirements. Protectionism policies are often implemented to safeguard domestic employment, industries and national security interests. Figures vary depending on the specific policies implemented by country. For instance, the U.S. International Trade Commission reported that the United Nations imposes an average tariff rate 2.0% on imported goods in 2020. However, the use of non-tariff measures and subsidies can have a significant impact on trade flow. Thank you.